Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to start the next questions from 8 to 11 of exercise 8.2. So the question number 8 is the price of TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it has the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Okay, so in this question the cost price of a TV is given, which is rupees 13,000. okay, rupees 13,000. okay, so the price of the TV is rupees 13,000, and on this price there is a sales tax which is charged by the shopkeeper, paid by the customer, and the shopkeeper transfer it to the government. So the sales charged on the price 13,000 is equal to 12%. So this is the basic price. okay, it is not included with the tax is excluded. So we have to find the tax. After that we have to add this with the cost price of the TV. So the tax in amount, okay, is equal to 12% of rupees 13,000. So 12 upon 100, because we are putting the sign of the percentage here, so we have to take the 100 as a denominator. Now 00 and 00 will be cut from there. So 130 into 12 will be remaining here. When we multiplying these numbers, the product will be become 1560. So this is the tax which the customer have to pay to the shopkeeper after the cost price. So the total cost price of the TV, okay, as we know that the overhead expenses, so we can also include the tax into the overhead expenses. So 13,000 plus 1560, so it will become 14,560. so this is the total amount which the customer have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, so that's all for the solution of question number 8. So the next question is question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was given 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the market price. Okay, so that means the amount which is paid by the Arun, which is rupees 1,600, is the selling price. Okay, it is the selling price of that particular skates. Also this is the cost price, because he bought that skates by giving the 1,600 rupees. okay, so now as we know that the market price, the discount is given on the market price. okay, so here we have to find what is the market price of the skates, and 20% discount is given also. So that let the market price be X. okay, so the discount is given 20%. so discount percentage, this is the formula. Discount percentage is equal to discount upon market price, because discount is given on the market price, into 100, because we are finding the percentage, that's why we have to multiply 100. Now the percentage is given 20, so we have to put here 20. Discount we don't know about that, and the market price we taken X into 100. Now 20 into X upon 100. okay, so everything except discount we have to transfer from RHS to LHS. so X is in the division form, it will transfer for the multiplication form. Similarly 100 is in the multiplication form, it will transfer to the division form. Now we have to just change the place of LHS and RHS. This one, the LHS we had to write on the RHS side, and discount we have to write on LHS side, because whatever we are going to find we have to put it in the left hand side. Now 25 is 100, it will divide the 100 by 5 times. So X only 1 is there, so X1 is X, and upon 5 we get. So discount what we get, X is equal to X upon 5. Now as we know that discount is given on the market price. So what is discount? Discount is market price minus sales price. Suppose that I am selling a pen of rupees 10, okay, and I am giving 2 rupees discount. So what is the sale price? So the sale price is equal to 8 rupees. So I am just subtracting the sale price from the market price. So 2 rupees is the discount. So we have to find the amount of discount. So discount whatever we get here, so this is the value of discount x upon 5 is equal to market price, we put it x. Now the sale price, what is the sale price of the skates? Rupees 1600. So here x upon 5 will be transferred from LHS to RHS, from positive to negative integer. Now, and similarly 1600 will be transferred from RHS to LHS. And here we have to just change the place of LHS and RHS. The RHS, whatever is in the RHS, we have to take it LHS, and LHS is equal to RHS. Now, x do not have its denominator when we, so we have to take 1 and 5 LCM will be 5. 1 will be divide 5 and the answer will be get 5. So 5 will be multiplied with the x. So 5x, or there is a shortcut also, directly multiplied this one and put the denominator for the all. So 5 into x, 5x minus x, and the denominator 5 is for all, is equal to 1600. 5x minus x is equal to 4x upon 5 is equal to 1600. So 4 upon 5 is the fraction. When it will be transferred, it will become a reciprocal. So 5 upon 4. Okay. Now 4 will divide 1600. So 4 4 is 16 and double 0. So 400 into 5 will become x is equal to rupees 2000. So x is equal to rupees 2000. What is x? X is the market price. So market price is rupees 2000. 20% is given the discount, and the sale price is 1600. So what is the discount of? The discount is rupees 400. So this is the solution of the question number 9.